Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of WP Training Kit PLR, which launched on the 30th of May at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this excellent release from Firelaunchers. Now this is probably the best private label rights release that I've seen so far in 2020. This is seriously good, folks. And that is a relief really, because I think the product quality has not been great this week, to be honest. But this is a very, very strong release for a number of reasons. So let's go through them. Firstly, as you know, I don't review much private label rights stuff these days because the quality, again, is not really very good. But this is exceptional. It also gives you a video version of the course on the front end, which is one of my main gripes with private label rights products, that you have to buy the first upsell before you can get the video version, and that is ultimately what most people want. Now you do get 8 videos on the front end of this, and then there's an upgrade which gives you even more videos to make it a really even stronger course, but the fact that there are videos on the front end, which is fine. Secondly, it gives you some options on the front end which you don't normally get, so you can have this for your own private use if you just want to know how to use and run WordPress, which is fine, or if you want to use it as it's intended as a private label rights product, then you can sell it and keep 100% of the commissions, or you can give it away as a lead magnet. Then again, you've got that option, which I obviously recommend you do. And finally, there's something that's virtually never offered, and that is unrestricted private label rights. Now what that means is that not only can you sell it on and give it away and give it as a bonus and all of that, but you can also do the one thing that you're never normally allowed to do with a private label rights product, and that is you can sell on the PLR rights as well. So that means you could rebrand this and create it as your own brand new product, and you could sell the PLR rights. So you could launch your own private label rights product. This would be a really, really easy way to do it. Take all the hassle out of creating your own product. Just use this one, give it a different name, rebrand it, and launch it as your own, and you've got the rights to sell it as a PLR product. This is like a really seriously good piece of kit, and the product itself is of the highest quality. So if this sounds like it's of interest, then listen on to this review. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you pick up WP Training Kit from the link underneath this video. There are 10 of them. You can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here anytime before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. As usual, I don't want that to happen, folks, because they are, as the name suggests, custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of WP Training Kit, because of course you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are particularly special. So what is WP Training Kit all about? Well, struggling marketers, are you looking for a pandemic-proof solution to make dollars online? Just grab this top converting WP Training Kit high definition video course with unrestricted private label rights to sell it as your own and keep 100% of the profits. This is a limited PLR opportunity. As I said, this one is the key that's never offered. You can even sell the private label rights to this package to your customers. Do not underestimate how valuable that makes it. And it's actually only a $1 increase to be able to do that, folks, which is madness. Okay, claim unrestricted private label rights to a proven to sell course. Done for you reseller kit. You get everything you need to sell this on: sales pages, sales videos, a training guide, graphics, swipes, articles, etc. And again, it's all really high quality. Top quality video content in a hot niche that sells like hotcakes. Obviously this is about WordPress. It's a completely evergreen niche. You're providing information that people will always want to know, and newbie marketers especially, how to create WordPress sites from scratch. Screen recorded HD videos to deliver massive value to your customers. Sell a high-end licensing deal to your customers by selling private label rights to this package. Alright, so you've almost got enough information already to buy it without having even seen it, but we will go through the rest of the sales page in a minute. But first let's deal with these custom bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. this video that I'm recording will be here. This is what we've just gone through about all the stuff about what WP Training Kit is all about. Now what we've got here is a demo video, so this is one of the demo videos in the 8 modules. This one is actually about how to create a WordPress site from scratch. So just have a quick look of this, folks. It's like about 6 minutes long, but it just gives you an idea of the quality of the training.
Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 8.
Okay, so again, you can watch a bit of that, folks, and just see the quality of the training. It is top notch, folks. All right, so what am I going to give you for this? Pick this up from me. Okay, so I'm going to give you another massive earnings opportunity, folks. I'm going to give you reseller rights to 4 of my best-selling products so that you can sell them on as if they were your own and keep 100% of the commissions across the entire sales funnel. In some cases, that can earn you, several $100s off one customer. So Greyhound Giveaways is a great product that creates free offers that people can give away to earn big money. Panda Payments is all about recurring monthly commissions. Puma Products is about product creation, and Leopard Lists is about list building. You're going to have reseller rights to all 4 of these products, 100% reseller rights, and also obviously guaranteed approval to promote. Next, I'm going to show you the top secret best places to sell private label rights products. You could take WP Training Kit now, take it over to these places and make instant money by selling in these places that are hardly known to other internet and affiliate marketers. I'm also going to show you the top 10 private label rights business ideas for 2020, so that if you're thinking of creating your own PLR products, this will show you the way to do it. Next, seeing as we're talking about a WordPress product here, which is excellent training, I'm going to take that a little bit further. So you can use the information that you've got in WP Training Kit, and then you can take it at a much higher notch with this web development masterclass. This is like 13 hours of training on how to build like a high quality website. You might decide that you get the bug for doing this. You might find that you've got a skill and that the training comes easy for you. If it does, then why not use this information to actually offer that service to other people, whether it's on outsourcing sites like Fiverr, or whether it is by creating a mini web agency from scratch to actually promote your services. And if you decide to do that, one thing that obviously you're taught in that course is how to make sites search engine optimization friendly, SEO friendly, and this is going to show you, if you decide that you want to promote that service, how to get your first SEO clients. All right, and then I'm just throwing, because it's a Sunday that I'm recording this, I'm just throwing a few sort of lifestyle related stuff, yeah, because we sometimes overlook that with all of the make money online stuff. So this is a little tutorial on how to design your life, yeah. It might sound a little bit sort of new age, yeah, but this stuff is really important to get right, yeah. And I think because of the lockdown, some people are focusing on this sort of stuff a bit more than they would normally, and rightly so. So a couple of tutorials here. The first one is on how to design your life and get the right balance. Maybe, now is the time to not go back to the old ways when we go back to business as usual. And also, probably more practical, how to declutter online so that you don't have loads of stuff lying around on your drive and your desktop you don't need. Okay, back to the main subject matter, and a 1.5 hour masterclass on how to make money with private label rights products. And finally, obviously, one of the main things that you can do with your new WordPress site when you've built it is to create a great blog. This is an 8-point plan to monetize any blog that you will create. So, and of course, I'll give you all the bonuses that the vendor Firelaunchers has given me to give to you. So a great set of bonuses there, folks. I hope you'll agree, and all very congruent with the front end. So let's go back to the sales page and have a look at what you're getting. There's a couple of testimonials there if you want to look at them. I'm just going to focus on the content, folks. You can read the rest of the sales page for yourself. So let's just scroll down until we get to there's obviously income proofs and stuff because it is a sales page. And then we will come to, okay, so Module 1, you get 8 step-by-step training videos. Okay, so this is the front end, remember, not the upsell, front end. really high quality, as you've already seen. And again, there's that example of that one that I've already got on my page. So these are the 8 modules: how to buy a domain name, how to buy hosting, how to perform site redirection, how to change your name server, cPanel introduction, creating an email account from cPanel, installing WordPress manually, that's the video that I've actually given you to look at, and installing WordPress in cPanel. All of these stuff are the vital steps that anyone would need when they start out in WordPress. Yeah, so this is like 100% evergreen stuff that everyone needs. Second module, Premier training guide on this. So again, for people that absorb the information in written format rather than in spoken or video format, they've also got the training guide to back it up, high quality. You've also got images here for the chapters, all the files, the raw video files again, so you can completely rebrand these, put your own branding on them, even rename them. The raw audio files, video voiceover script, 10 unique articles to promote this with, a cheat sheet, a mind map, look at this, good quality mind map, a top resource report that you can give away as a lead magnet, and then high converting sales copy. This is if you take the reseller rights. Sales video to sell this with, so that's your own sales video. Professionally designed graphics, animated banners, professionally created email templates, a professional mini site, so these are the sites that you'll be using to sell the product yourself. You can have a look at the demo if you want to there. All the legal pages covering GDPR over here in the Europe. So these are your options, folks. So if you just want this for yourself to learn how to use WordPress and nothing else, you don't want the PLR, then it's $9.95. If you want the normal PLR package, then this won't give you the raw video files, it won't give you the voiceover script, it won't give you the audio files, but it will give you everything else, and it will give you PLR rights, yeah? Then that is $13.95. And then the one that I recommend is the unrestricted private label rights, which also includes these extras, but more importantly, the right to sell the PLR on again yourself, which is completely invaluable. And that is $14.95, folks, and that is an absolute bargain. Right, these bonuses are only available if you take the top option, the unrestricted version, so the $14.95. If you do that, then you'll get these bonuses from the vendor. WP Social Widget plugin, WordPress automation secrets, web bloggers social media widget, WooCommerce membership secrets, WordPress website security, WordPress installation tips and tricks, and WP Simple Geo. All of those 7 you will get if you take this unrestricted version. So that is the front end product, folks. Let's just have a quick look at the upsells. So this is what we've seen, the modules, these examples of the training videos, these are the bonuses, okay, and these are the options to buy it, which we've just gone through. So the upsell, with the upsells you get another load of videos, 23 step-by-step tutorial videos in the first upsell, 15 professionally designed PPTs, again raw video files, voiceovers, audio files, product graphics, high converting upsell sales copy, mini sites to sell the upsell version, expert sales video, professionally written follow-up series. You get a complete lead magnet system. So in this, again, you don't get this with the front end. You'll get a squeeze page copy, squeeze page graphics, squeeze page free report to give away, and squeeze page follow-up swipes. Yeah. Again, you've got, these are all the different chapters. How to create and edit posts with a new WordPress editor, how to create and edit content with WordPress Classic Editor. Again, there's loads here, folks. If you want to, like, I'll scroll down slowly. If you want to freeze the screen so you can see exactly what you're getting with all these chapters, then you can. You'll also get 9 more additional bonuses if you take the upsell. So they are e-commerce with WooCommerce, WP Link Shield Review Pack, WordPress Fast Track version 2.0 Advanced, YouTube channel SEO version 2, SEO split testing video upgrade, S3 hosting for beginners, hosting panel, PowerList Pro, and safe online browsing. And again, you've got the 3 options with the upsell. So you can have either just your own, you can have normal PLR rights, or you can have unrestricted PLR rights. And do I have the price for it? Yeah. So personal use for the first upsell is $29.95. Reseller rights is $45.95, and unrestricted PLR rights, which obviously the one I recommend, is $47.95. Okay, so the next upsell, you're going to have a look at it, folks, because I don't have full details of that. But there is another upsell, again, which comes with personal use of $9.95, reseller rights of $13.95, and unrestricted at $14.95. And then there's a third upsell, which is the advanced version of that. That is $29.95, $45.95, and $47.95. So have a look at that. There's also one final upsell, which is a bit pricey, admittedly, but it's a complete product creation service from scratch that Firelaunchers offer for $5,000 if you want to launch your own product with them, basically. That's obviously not going to be for everyone, but they are a very strong team. Okay, so I certainly recommend that you take that first upsell and have a look at the other stuff and consider it. So if you want to pick this up, folks, from me and get all of these additional bonuses, then all you have to do is click any of these green buttons. Scroll over here, decide whether you want just a personal use version or the PLR. Obviously, this unrestricted one is the one that's the most valuable and the one that I recommend, but it is obviously your call. And then that will bring you into the receipt area at Warrior Plus, where you click on the green button to access your copy of WP Training Kit, just there, and then click on the blue button to access all of these custom bonuses. And I'm delighted to say that I'm going to give this an Elite Tigers Group rating of 5 stars out of 5 because it offers a brilliant product at a brilliant price with lots of benefits to it. So it's to my mind, it's a complete no-brainer to pick this one up. And with that said, all that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening this review video. Do please click on the subscribe button underneath and click on the bell icon if you've enjoyed it, and then you'll be informed every time I bring out a new recording. And until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of WP Training Kit PLR.